A morning family. Now we're about to do a 645. If you look at there, is 6. What is doing? What this phone is doing, Nick? Here you see this 641. 645. So we have to do that. Let me start where I was, where I left you with, where I left you guys here. As I said that we add or we minus by this strategy, and there is also this strategy. We all know that we times by the whole of these numbers. So what we do, let me start here. This phone is crazy, guys. It's crazy, niggles. What do we have to do? We say, as I said to you, we add or minus. So let's try that. We say 8 plus 6 is 14. We know that 14 is 5 now. 14 is 5. You see there is 14 is 5 there. We know that 5 is 23, 32, etc. guys, 14, 41, all these numbers. So we say 8 again minus 6, it gave us 2. We know that 2 is 20 or whatever. 2 is 20 or 11. You see these numbers? Yeah, these are the numbers. You see how many numbers you got here? 3 numbers with easy strategy, guys, with easy strategy. So what we do here, we are here now, we say 8 plus 2, it gave us 10. We know 10 is 1 or 10 as it is, but we don't get 10 there. We say 8 minus 2, it's 6. We know that 6 is 42, 24, 33, 15, etc. guys. You see these numbers I'm talking about. You see these numbers I'm talking about. So let's move. Here we got only one number. Let's move forward. Here you see this is, in this row we say 13 minus 2, it gives us 11. We know that 11 is 2, but if you look there is no 11. And but guys, remember I told you that here is our number came here, 2 is also 20 and 11 is also 2. So okay guys, now I don't see any number, so let us go through. Here we say 13 minus 1, it gave us 12. It gave us 12. We know that 12 is 3. There is no 3 there. And we say 13 plus 1, it's 14. We know that 14 is 5. So 5 came here, guys. 5 came here. So we expecting to see something like 5 there. Here is 5. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. Let's go move. Let's do a movement. Okay. Let's go. Let's be here now. Let's be here. You see this? If you look at these numbers, we don't add here. We don't subtract, because this row, they don't, each and every row tree, they don't drop number 0. So we have to add these two numbers. It gave us 2. We know that 2 is 12. It's 11. So 11 is here. 11 is there. And what we have to do again, okay, finally we got a single number. We are here now. We say 11 minus 1, it gave us 10. So if you look at this draw, there is no 10. So we have to say 11. 11. Okay, guys. There is something that I missed. It's 11 minus 1, it gave us 10. So if you look at this draw, there is no 10. But you have to think about a family of numbers, just like this here is 10. You see, here is 10, because 3 plus 7 is 10. 28 is also 10, and it's easy, guys. Many numbers, and 46 is also 10, but there's not 46 in this lottery. There's no 46, so you have to say what number? 46. You see, guys, these numbers I'm talking about. Okay, let us do move. We say again 11 plus 1 is 12. If you look here, you see 20. Okay, if you see here, you see 21. You all know that 21 is 12, and we know that like these numbers, these two numbers, 21 and 12, 21 and 12 are the same numbers, but okay, 21 is also 3, because you see here 12 is 3 and 21 is 3, so here is 3, guys. Here is 3. Let's don't, I don't want to confuse you about many numbers. Here we say what we say. We say 11 plus 2, it's 13. We know that 13 is 4. Here is 4. 13 is 4. And what we say, what we have to say again, we say 11 minus 2, it's 9. We know that 9, which number is 9? Here we got 9 here. This is our 9 came. I hope you see, guys, this strategy is working, is really working. And what do we have to do again? Let's go, sorry, let's go to, okay, 9. It's 9, yeah. Okay, nothing again, guys. When you look at these numbers, nothing. Here we say 4 plus 4 plus what? 4 plus 2, it's 6. If you look at this, it's 6, guys. If you look at this, there is 6. They played 6. So what we have to see now, we have, and you look there is also 6, because we are using these two draws. So we have to see 33. Let me write it down. On the next draw we have to see 33, because but they can repeat this 24. We have to put that 24 again to be safe. And 6 is also 15. We know that 6 is also 15. So guys, let's move. So we say again this number, 4 minus 2 is 2. You see, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we are expecting to see 11 and 2 also, or 20. But guys, focus on 20 and 33. Focus on 20. You have to focus on these numbers, these two numbers. You have to focus, you have to pay the attention on these two numbers. So let's go now on the strategy. We know we in this strategy we are breaking codes. We say 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 17 plus 42, it gives 80. So that 80 would multiply by 6, because these numbers are 6. They are 6, so it's 4 for 80. If you look at that, okay, let me write it down. For 80. So let us look here on this code. Let us look on this code. Here you see is 480. And if you look here, they played 4 and 5 and 6. You see, we left with 7. Which is 7. It can be this number. It can be this number, because we want to put 7 between these numbers, and 8. Which number is 8? 26 is also 8. let's put these numbers 26 and 43 because they played 34, so we have to turn it to be 43, guys. So what another we done that. We say now 4 plus 8 plus what? It's 12. It's 12. We know that 12 is 3. 12 is 3, so we have to put 12 again. We have to put, so guys, you have to pair these numbers. You have to pair these numbers, guys. These are your pairs. These are your numbers. You have to pair. You have to pair, guys. I'm not able to, but let me pair only one number that would be dropped. Let me pair you this code. You have to focus on this, and you have to pair on your own. Pair on your pair on your own. Pair on your own. Pair on your own. These numbers 26, 33, 15, 11, 24, 24, 20, 43, 12. These are the numbers you have to pair, guys. You have to pair these numbers, guys.